something. Come here, boy. Chirps. Come here. Come here. Come on around. Here, boy. Come on. Chirps. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. I want to show you how to make something. You know, they got this one cat. I think he's in China. And he cooks. Sit. And look, I'm going to show you how to make a peanut butter sandwich. Can you come here? Come on, so you can see better. Alright. Oh, you're bored already, huh? Well, here. Look, so I took 2 pieces of bread. These are whole grain. This is 21 grain bread. I'm going to put this natural peanut butter on it. Look what I do. You see that? I spread it on. I like it nice and thin personally. See that? Isn't that cool? Oh really? Everyone's a critic. Alright, so check this out. I know, isn't that cool? Alright, so I'm going to put some sliced banana on it. You like banana? Alright, so look at this. This banana is so soft. Alright, so you watching? Look, look, look. So, I'm going to slice the banana. Put slices on the peanut butter. See that? Just a couple. And I'll do something else with the banana. Hey, you paying attention? Alright. So look, we put that on there. Isn't that cool? Here. Wanna try some banana? Here you go. Going to slice this. Alright. You see? Isn't that cool? Huh, not interested.